What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Bone again here. Today we're in the Cadillac CTS. This will be for any 2008 to 2013 model. Got a blown door speaker in this front driver's door, and I just wanted to post a quick video here for anybody that's looking to replace your door speakers and you don't want to cut your factory wire harness. I found the adapters that'll work just like that, and then you can plug those into your new speakers. It's the Metra. Let me see if I can get that. It's the 72-4568 kit by Metra. Pretty common in the aftermarket wiring harness world. You should be able to find them no problem. They're really cheap, and you don't have to cut your factory wires if you don't want to. I lucked out and had a pair of these sitting in the garage because I couldn't find the information on the internet anywhere as to what kind of adapter I could use there, so I kind of lucked out. Now, as to what type of speakers, aftermarket speakers, I can put in there that's going to work with all this stock Bose crap, and I do mean crap. This stuff is ridiculous. That has yet to be determined because everything I could find, the information about this car, other than just calling the dealership itself, was that that's a 5 1/4 inch door speaker. Well, when I actually get down to the nitty gritty and take it out, the stock Bose speaker says, let me see if that'll focus. See there, it says it's a 6 1/2 inch. And not only that, it's only 1.9 ohms. So they do this shit so you'll have to buy it all just from the factory or just put Bose stuff back in. I'm gonna go a different route, but I mean, even when you look at this thing, you know, the speaker itself only measures 5 1/2 at most, maybe a 6 if you consider all of the surround. I mean, from screw hole, middle of that one to the middle of that other side is, I guess that's 6 1/2 inches. I guess that's how they're measuring it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna start out with some 6 inches, but good luck finding some 2 ohm door speakers, because that's gonna be hard to do. The only thing I've found so far that's even comes close to that is the JBL GX series. So that's, you know, maybe this will be a 2-part video. I'll follow up once I get that in there and see if it works. But even those are 2.3 ohms is what they're advertised as. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not too worried about it. I really just wanted to help somebody out that's looking for the right wiring harness to use on these cars. And that's it. Metra 72-4568. Hope that helps you out, folks. Thanks for watching.